Good morning, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. Thanks for joining me today. I'm so happy you're here. I hope you are happy, healthy, and safe and having a great day. Today I'm working on Margarete Miller's collage assignment week 11. I need someone smiling, and I have this cute lady. This is also my vintage advertisement or illustration. An image with a gradient color. This was the only thing that came close that I have, and it's a sunset. A page or a piece with handwritten numbers. I have pieces of a doctor's ledger, and this one has the most numbers on it, I think, but we'll be using one of those. An archaeological find or a treasure. I have this skull, and or I have this armor guy. I got those from the cut up this book Underworld, and a word, which is the bonus, a word in your favorite language. I don't really have a favorite language, but I thought that was really pretty. I'll see if I can hold it up closer. I believe it's Lao. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just pretty. So I thought I would use that as my bonus. So my first thing is to figure out my background. Well, that pretty much fits perfectly right on like that. I feel like this is the best part of the gradient here. So we'll probably put that up on the top and maybe the numbers on the bottom. Something like that. And then we'll figure out where to put this guy or this guy. I don't know. Does not seem to really match, does it? But let's get some gluing done here. We'll put some glue down and get our background set up. And oh boy, today is March 12th, I think, and yesterday was 70 degrees. We've gone from like negatives to 70 in like 3 weeks. That's insane to me. That's always insane to me how drastic and how sudden the temperatures can change around here. I don't think that's going to work. I'm going to have to put it into the corner. It's a little bit on the other page there. That's okay. I tried to lift it up and it ripped. So kind of ripped on the other side though. Like parts of it stayed there. Oh, I forgot. Oh no. I forgot that that can't go first. Oh. This has got to go. And I also have to cut it a little bit. I'm going to cut it right here. And it's so hard to see where the edge of the paper is. I think this would be my best bet. I also think I need to put my numbers down first. And for this, I need to cut skinnier. Yeah, that's good. Perfect. I'm afraid this is going to close up on me here. I got to remember which papers to glue down first. I'm a professional. Okay, these numbers are going right here. If there's any coming off, I can trim it. Not much. This is going here, just like that. Maybe I should cut a little bit off of the orange so we have most of the gradient showing. This was a calendar image. I think we don't need that. Oh, I got glue on the front. Oh well. And that went down again. I don't think it matters too much though, because this isn't really under it much. Now I can put this back and this. So tell me if you participate in this Margarete Miller's challenge. I think I need a wipe. It's fun, but this one was very challenging. I couldn't figure out where I was going to get a gradient or an archaeological find, or really any of it, except for this I knew I could find. Okay, well, let's cut off our extra bits here. There we go. My son is home from has been home from college for a week. I'm not sure if it's spring break or what, but he has to go back on Sunday. And then he has one more year after this year. And then he can be a computer engineer, whatever that is. Okay, so I'm kind of not really feeling this guy. Even though I think he's a better archaeological treasure, but maybe not. I could put this right here, and I think that would be good. And what if I put these words like right here, because there is a little bit of a line. I could do that. I think I'm actually just gonna use this much of it. I might use this part somewhere else. And I apologize in advance because I'm not sure which way this goes. But I think this is right side up. So there's a little crack there that I wanted to cover up. We'll put him here. And then we'll just figure out if I want to add this. I definitely do not want to add the skull. We can save that for another project. And I think this is a good archaeological find too. He's going right here. And I guess I could maybe put the skull there, but nah, I don't like the skull. And I'm not sure about this, if this fits in anywhere else. Now I think we're going to leave it just like this. So this is the finished collage. Let's see if we have everything just to make sure. Someone's smiling. This is the vintage advertisement. This is my image with the gradient color. This is a page or piece with handwritten numbers on it. My archaeological treasure, and a word in my favorite language. Also, if you like papers like this, the Doctor's Ledger paper, I have a couple for free on my Ko-fi page. If you would like to download them, feel free to go to my Ko-fi page. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.